Fix in 5. P0552. Power steering pressure sensor circuit low input, electrical signal bell. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Power steering warning light illuminated. Increased steering effort or loss of power steering assist. Intermittent power steering loss. Check engine light, mil. Activated, erratic or hard steering response. Now the most likely causes. Faulty power steering pressure sensor. Open or shorted wiring to pressure sensor. Corroded or loose connector at sensor. Low power steering fluid level. Power steering pump failure. How to fix it. Clean and reseat power steering pressure sensor connector. Repair or replace corroded wiring harness. Replace power steering pressure sensor. Refill power steering fluid to proper level. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €65 to €180 doing it yourself, or €129 to €244 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0552 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0552 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0552. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.